Welcome back to Sawyer Farm. I'm Jacob. Today it's just going to be a quick little video, but we kind of wanted to do this and bring y'all along. This is going to be an experiment for us. And what we're going to try to do is plant a tomato plant in straight rabbit manure. Okay? Now we got this idea kind of from Jason at the Crockers and Keeping It Dutch. We kind of posted some manure online and some comments went back and forth, and it was more kind of joking a little bit. And Dutch kind of did this, I think it was last year, with just a bag of soil. And so they're kind of like, yeah, just do it. And so we're like, you know what, let's just give it a try, because here on our farm we like to experiment with things and just have fun with gardening. Guys, you got to have some fun in your life. You can't always be, upright all the time. You got to lay back a little bit, and doing experiments like this, you learn. The worst thing that's going to happen is the tomato plant won't grow in this. Okay, we know that tomato plant won't grow. Now, I don't believe that. I think that it'll grow. Now, the question I have is, how good will it grow? That's the thing. So that's kind of the experiment, is how good a tomato plant will grow in this. And if it does do really well, we may try other plants like this and just have fun with this gardening stuff. It's just, we really like adventuring out there and doing some new stuff. So right now we got this bag. We have not done anything to it. All we have done is scoop the poop, put it in this bag like we always do. We have not added anything. So there's a little bit of hay in there, maybe some leaves, maybe some sticks, but mainly it's rabbit manure. So we're just gonna cut this bag down just so the kind of just flush a little bit. And kind of leave it like that. And then we're going to probably just poke a couple holes in the bottom so it has some way to drain just a little bit. This bag is probably a little bit porous, but we're just going to give it a little bit. A little cut. Now guys, this is not anything special, okay? We're just trying this out, so we're having fun here doing it. Nothing crazy, just poking holes. Alright, got the holes planted. So what we're gonna do, let's see what type of tomato plant we got. It looks like we got a Chadwick cherry. So this is gonna be a cherry tomato that we're going to be doing this in. We're just going to plant it just like we plant our other ones. We got the plant in there, as you can see. We got the holes cut on the bottom to give it a little bit of drainage. Then now we're gonna put on this tomato cage. You probably saw our previous video on making one of these. If you haven't, go check it out. I'm telling you, these are the best tomato cages you can probably make, or even I would say buy, because they're so sturdy and they work very well. We're just gonna put this down. You need a cage for your tomato, but this will also help with the bag. If the bag kind of falls one way, it'll kind of catch it, so we're not coming out here and everything is on the ground. So it's going to contain everything. We're going to just water it real quick. Alright, that's going to wrap up today's video. We just wanted to take you along and show you kind of this new experiment, crazy thing that we're going to try. I'm really excited to see how it is. And like I said before, you got to try new stuff and just, it may not work, but at least you're learning things and you learn something from this. So we're really excited to see this. And, this is free. This costed us nothing. So if it does work very well, it may give you an idea of, putting it in a bucket or something like that. That's free soil you can use. So it'd be pretty cool to see how it does. But leave in the comments, what do y'all think this is going to do? Do you think it's not going to grow nothing? Do you think it's going to grow some, but not too much? Or do you think it's just going to bloom crazy and we're going to get hundreds of tomatoes from it? Leave it down in the comments and let us know, and we'll kind of take a poll to see later down the line who was right. So leave down in the comments. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you can see kind of crazy videos like this as soon as they come out. But y'all, take care and God bless.